Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this short video we're going to show you how you can download IDM on your Android device. So by the end of this video you're going to know how to navigate and download IDM. So you're going to open the Google Play Store. You're going to go into the search top section and search for IDM. You're going to scroll down and you're going to see the IDM web tool section. Here it's going to show you about what the mobile application entails. As you can see, allowing IDM users to manage multiple accounts and renew services. So this is how the actual application looks, and it's got different applications and different pictures and different locations of the headquarters of the actual application in the company itself. It's got ratings and reviews. As of now, there isn't any sort of reviews yet because it's only got 100k downloads, so it is a quite new application and company that are quite upgoing. So this is a way for you to be able to download IDM. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.